The new heavy-duty eFuse Pro Series 8000 is designed to operate reliably and accurately in the most extreme environments. The system has 8 channels which can be fired independently with variable delay times in milliseconds. It can initiate e-matches, for example GTEC, for both blasting and military applications with incredible precision. Plus or minus 50 microsec maximum firing variations between channels. The eFuse Pro Series 8000 system verifies all circuits when activated and functions flawlessly in providing the required energy for up to 40 igniter units e-matches per channel. The system senses the number of e-matches placed in different series channels and safely supplies only the energy required for each initiation. The data from each firing sequence is securely stored in system memory for its performance, audits, and reviews. In addition, the system has been designed with a special frame for maximum durability and reliability under extreme adverse conditions.